Hey guys, finished editing your masterpiece in CapCut on PC and ready to export? Let me show you how in under a minute. Once you're done, head to the top right corner and hit that big export button. A window pops up. First, give your video a name. I'll just call mine Test Project. Want to choose where it saves? Click the little folder icon right here and pick any location you like. Make sure Video Export is selected. Resolution 1080p is perfect for most platforms. Bitrate, leave it on default, it's already optimized. Codec, stick with H.264. Format, MP4, works everywhere. Frame rate? I always bump mine to 60 FPS for that super smooth look. Now just smash export and let it render. When it's done, can't remember where you saved it. No worries, click Open Folder down here in the bottom left and boom, it takes you straight to your video, already highlighted. That's it. Super easy, right? If this quick tip helped you, do me a solid, hit that like button, subscribe for more CapCut tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.